Hey, what's up Siacoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Hope you have a good day. My friends, in this video we discuss the new update of the Siacoin. First of all, my friends, congratulations to all Siacoin holders that now at this time the last 1 hour pricing is positive. And at this time the Siacoin is in the jumping mode. So I'm very happy to see the last 1 hour pricing is positive. Hope you're already feeling good when you see the last 1 hour pricing is positive. After a very bait fast, the Siacoin start pumping, and yesterday the price of Siacoin is very badly fast down, completely fast down. Anyways, before seeing the more details, discuss more updates about the Siacoin, tell me in the comment box that how do you feel today about the Siacoin, and please click the subscribe button, like this video, my friends. At this time 0.016842 USD dollar is the latest price of the Siacoin in the market. That is the latest price of the Siacoin, and let's see the price chart of the Siacoin for more details. My friends, yesterday the price of Siacoin is completely fast down. Price is completely fast down from yesterday on the 10th June. But now the last 1 hour pricing is positive. The last 1 hour pricing is positive, and I'm feeling very good at this time. What you think about the Siacoin, tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.